This video is about microscopy, different kind of microscopes that you might see in lab and the different kinds of images they can produce. So first of all, we'll look at the light microscope. That's what you use in class. That takes in light from the surroundings, bounces it off a mirror and up through the sample. The sample is that little yellow thing I put there on the stage. And then you can see the light going through it into the eyepiece that you can then view at magnification. So magnification, by the way, is just how many times bigger the object is than in real life. And that's pretty useful for looking at cells, you know, overall, like sort of tissues, for example, a bit of an onion or something like that. And we'll often stain the sample in order to be able to see particular structures within the tissue more clearly. Now that will otherwise produce a sort of colour image. You're viewing it live. One step up is a laser scanning confocal microscope, quite similar really in its approach to a light microscope, but it's capable of producing higher resolution images. Quickly on resolution, that is the minimum distance between 2 points that can be seen as separate, as indistinguishable. So if something is of high resolution, then you can see things that are very close together and see that they're different. So the laser scanning one will produce an image on a computer that you can view. These are both quite easy to use and require not much setup. When you get into the real professional territory, that's the electron microscopes. They take a lot of work to set up, a lot of time to set up and take an image, but they can produce images of many times greater resolution than these ones. So we're talking things with magnification in the tens or hundreds of thousands for a scanning electron microscope with a decent depth of field, so you can produce a 3D image. A transmission electron microscope, that can literally see molecules. It's of many millions times magnification, so it's useful for kind of more chemistry sort of application. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.